I just wanted to show you how to put the belt on the Craftsman DLT3000 deck. It's quite easy. There's a diagram that I found here. And this can be done when the deck is attached to the machine. The tricky part, well, it's not tricky, but you know, you have to angle the belt through here first. Get it over this nut and onto the this pulley here, which if you're sitting on the lawn tractor, that's the left side. So just worry about that. Get it around there, and then bring it all the way back along here to the right side pulley for the blades. And then, you know, make sure that it's around the pulley and it's on the inside of the brake. And then it comes through here. There's a little tab here and a tab there. So you want to go on the inside. You just sort of pull this out a bit and stuff the belt in there. And that heads up to the front. And then as you come back around, there's the other idler pulley. You go on the inside and again make sure the belt is on the inside of the little tab here. And then it just comes around and under here and back around. And then when you get your deck ready, all hooked up, you can just slide the belt onto the unit and away you go. So that's what it looks like if you're looking for a diagram. And there it is there. Okay, enjoy.